Welcome to another happy birthday card tutorial. If you want to see how this happy birthday card is made, keep watching. Here are all of the main supplies that you'll need to make this card. What isn't shown here are the rhinestones, as they're of course an optional element and you don't need them for the design. So keep watching the video and you'll see where I add those on later on. To start making this card, take your base cardstock or paper and your pencil and draw out the design. Once you're happy with the placement of the happy birthday text and other design elements, switch over to your thin black pen. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size S, and outline these two kind of elements that frame the lettering on the card. Once those two elements are outlined, continue with the same thin pen and trace over the word birthday. Once you've traced over it once, I went back in with the same thin black pen and I thickened the downstroke of each of the letters in the word birthday. This gives the word a bit of a calligraphy style effect. And once I'd outlined that, I just went back in and kind of colored in any remaining white space to kind of finish that design and calligraphy style effect to that word. Once I completed the word birthday, I moved on to the word happy. Here I actually switched over to a slightly thicker black pen. This is a Faber-Castell pen in size M. However, if you only have one black pen, certainly use it for both words. It won't really make a difference. And I simply traced over the pencil lines that I had previously drawn. The final step in making the rhinestone-free version of this card is to simply color in these two end elements of the design. I chose to use a really pretty purple color. However, a really easy way to customize this card would be to simply change the color that you use for these two elements. And once that's complete, you could leave the card just like this, or if you want to, you could add a little bit of extra sparkle and two rhinestone accents like I did. So shown here are the two rhinestones that you'll need, and then also you'll need some glue. I really like a fast drying glue. And so simply, like I always do, is I laid the rhinestones out where I wanted them, and then once I was happy with their placement, I took my fast drying glue and I glued them both on. And once the glue is dry, this happy birthday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this design and card tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.